Today we're going to be making an easy lasagna recipe. Don't forget to like and share this video. And also don't forget to subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. And also follow me on Instagram. So we're going to start by putting oil in a pot, and then we're going to put our ground beef. We're going to put 1 chicken stock, salt, pepper, and since I didn't put onion, I'm going to put the onion powder. We're going to be frying it. And then once it's completely fried, we are going to put the red sauce. I'm going to be using the whole jar of the tomato sauce. And then we're going to include a little bit of oregano and basil. We're gonna mix and then let it boil. We're gonna continue with the container, and we're gonna put our oven ready lasagna. We're gonna put 4 strips. And then we're gonna put the meat on top. And then we're gonna use our mozzarella cheese. And I'm gonna put a little bit of Parmesan cheese also. And we're gonna keep on doing until the end. I used about 2 bags of mozzarella cheese and 1 bag of Parmesan cheese. What I forgot to put in the end is that I put a little bit of water so the oven ready lasagna strips could be baked easily. So just make sure you put a little bit of water. We're going to put this in the oven for 375 degrees for an hour. At 45 minutes, we're going to take out the foil. And once it's done, we're going to let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. And this is our end result. This is our easy recipe for lasagna. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!